How could people find you online? I mean, Facebook, Instagram. I mean, you told us about the ultimateknife.com. What's your online handles?
Well, you pretty much said it right there. Anybody, if anybody needs to contact me that way, you can message me on, I mean, just type in Ladislao Mandiola. There's nobody with my name. You know, I hated that name my dad gave to me because my middle name is Carl. And I'm like, everyone called me Carl.
Wait. Your middle name is Carl, but your first name and last name is like multiple syllables, but your middle name is Carl.
I'm like, why would you do that, Dad? He says, hey, because that's just what I wanted to do, Carl. I'm telling you, I do what I want. I don't care. You know, I just name you Ladislao. It's my name. What, you ashamed of my name? You want me to smack you? I smack you. You know what I mean? I can smack you. So that was my father. Hey, you're making fun of my language now. Oh, that's nice. That's great. You're making fun of my language. So, you know, but my dad was hilarious. No, he gave me that name. And now I look at it, I'm so proud to have the name, but I had to shorten it to Lad. And it's like, why don't you use Carl? Because, you know, when you're dealing with business, you have to use your official first and last name. So I just said, screw it. I'm just going to shorten the name at Lad. But if you want to find me, all you have to do, hey, you can get on my website, you know, The Ultimate Knife or mandioladefense.com. You can get on either one of those two sites. I got emails, whatever. You can email me directly through there. You can call the phone number that's on there. You can reach me that way. I do have, like I said, like he said, Facebook. You can reach me on Messenger. I can go even beyond that. If you guys message me, you can. I'll text you. I'll even give you my my phone number. You can contact me that way. But first, you know, reach out to me through, you know, Facebook and Messenger, and then, you know, once we get to know each other a little bit, then you know, if I feel like I can give you my number, I'll do that. And then, you know, we can contact each other that way. I'm more than happy to network and put myself out there. I'm more than happy.